Beautiful girls all over the world I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Yeah. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
You're one of MSD's most colorful characters, and so like the colors we're wearing.
Pink because you're full of love.
Blue because you're such a calm person.
Orange because you have a cheerful disposition in life.
And green because you're so down to earth.
Karen is you live, MSD will surely miss you.
Good luck to your studies!
Hi Karen. Ingat at saka
Hi Karen. Ano sasabihin na iyak ako? Miss ka namin kasi marami na nakaalis, marami na rin bagong dumating. Ikaw yung isa sa mga friends namin dito sa office na tinuturing namin mga true friends. So, good luck sa'yo on your new endeavor. Alam ko marami dyan naghihintay na companies willing to accept you, and I hope you prosper on your new endeavors. Balitaan mo kami pag meron na. So yun lang. Good luck. And
see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaken, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. It ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb.
Good luck sa'yo, and I miss you, and thank you sa favors na I ask, and hopefully you will find true happiness mo and yung career na gusto mo talaga. And thank you sobra when I needed a friend, especially early this year. Kahit alam kong medyo hindi related sa'yo, you tried your best na to be there as my friend. So, thank you.
Hi Karen, on behalf of the Tele family, we would like to congratulate you and wish you good luck on the path you have chosen. We're glad to have a colleague like you. Hope that you'll treasure the memories that you have spent with us.
And Karen, Yan, ako lang tumatawag sa inyo na, kaya magtatampo ako sa iyo kapag kinalimutan mo ako. Pero seriously, we would like to take this opportunity for helping us, lalo na nung nag-back up kami sa inbound. Though we are busy and paulit-ulit yung questions namin, talagang tumutulong ka pa rin, willing ka pa rin tumulong sa amin. So talagang na-appreciate namin yon. So once again, thank you, Kern, and God bless.
For you, Karen.